Okay, today we will discuss the example problems about the percentage. So, percentage means per 100, per cent. Yesterday I said the two formulas to you. One is finding percentage when you know number. Another one is finding number when you know percentage. Okay, finding percentage when you know number. So how do you find the percentage when you know number? One formula I have set you. Number for what you are going to find percentage in numerator by total in denominator into 100. That is the formula. So number for what you are finding percentage by total into 100. So suppose you are going to find out the boys percentage. So you have to write here how many boys are there, how many total are there into 100. If you are going to find out the percentage of past members, past percentage means how do you find? How many members past you write here by total into 100. Okay. So how many are educated? How many members are having cars in India? Means the percentage you have to find. Then what you write? How many members are having car by total population into 100. That is the way of finding percentage when you know number. Suppose if you know the percentage, then how do you find the number? So I said now in reverse. 70% members are having bikes. I said. Means how many bikes? How many members are having bikes? Percentage I have given, number I have given. Then how do you find? This is very easy here. 70% means 70 by 100 into 70% means 70 by 100 into this total population is there no? Total you will take here and we will get the answer. Okay, number. If you know percentage, you can find number like that. If you know number, you can find percentage. These are the two formulas. Easily we can remember that. By using that formulas only, we are going to calculate the problems. Okay. So generally, how I ask for now, like that problems only will be there. So then easily we can understand. Okay. Now I have a doubt. There are 55% boys are there. In Little Bird School, there are 55% boys are there. How many percent girls are there? Can you say? 45%. How many percent boys are there? 55. I said boys are 55%. How many percent girls are there? 40%. Yes, how? Is it out? 155 are boys. I said no. Remaining are girls only. No. Yes. The remaining part 45% are girls. Okay, you understand? 55% boys. Percent means 55 per 100 boys. Remaining 45 are girls only. Yes. So that's why you can say that when you know boys percentage, you can find the girls percentage. 98 total. Okay, do you understand? So in one pole, in one pole, 30% blue color is there. 30% blue. 20% white. 10% yellow. Remaining green. What is the percentage of green color? 40%. So how do you say? It's very easy because you know that for 100, 30, 20, 10. Remaining means 40 only per 100. So that 40% is green. Okay. So now we are going to discuss the verbal problems. First question number 1. Before that exercise 4, some examples I will explain to you. Remaining you try, okay? Example 8 is page number 122. Example 8. In a class there are 35 girls and 15 boys are there. In a class there are 35 boys, 35 girls and 15 boys. What is the percentage of the boys and what is the percentage of girls? Can you find? Very easy. I said you know number. You have to find percentage. You know the formula, no? Yes. So first of all, I am going to find what did he say to find percentage of girls. You have to find. How do you find percentage of girls? Formula I said to you. What should we do? This number in numerator. Girls means how many girls are there? 35 in numerator by total in denominator. What is the total? 50. That was only into 100. No, you are not saying anything. Formula yesterday said no. What is the formula I said? Number by total into 100. We are finding a percentage of girls now. That's why girls number numerator. Total denominator into 100. Very easy formula. Which number you are finding percentage? Numerator, total in denominator into 100. So you can do the calculations here. Cancellations you will try, you know that. Numerator and denominator. Here this both, one numerator, denominator are coming in 50 tables. How? 51 the 52 the. So now nothing left for cancellation. 35 to the 70%. Okay? Next, same like that. Now we are going to find out percentage of boys. Percentage of boys. So boys are how many you know that? 50 boys are there. By total 50 into so now 51 the 52 the 52 the. So that is the way of finding percentage when you know the number. Okay. If you come late, I will not allow you in the class. Come before 9 o'clock. Do you understand the question? Very easy question. Very easy type. Okay, next example number 9. They are doing different methods, but no need. You know the one method. Shirt A has 3/5 cotton, where shirt B has 3/4 cotton. Shirt A is having 3/5 cotton. Shirt A 3/5 cotton. And shirt B 3/4 cotton. And he is asking to you what is the cotton percentage of A and cotton percentage of B first. The second question is he is asking to you which shirt has more percentage of cotton. You understand? Okay, what is the formula for that? I said to you cotton percentage of A. In A, what is the cotton percentage? Cotton percentage in A. In shirt A. So first I said how do I say formula? 3/5. What is the main formula? What I said to you? For what we are finding percentage? That is numerator, total denominator into 100. Here, what is the meaning of 3/5 cotton? You know, 3 cotton out of 5. 3 shares cotton out of 5. In here, which is cotton number? 3. Which is total number? 5. That we use. We are finding the percentage of cotton or cotton percentage now. Yes. That's why cotton shares numerator. 3. Total shares 5. Denominator. Into 100. But Mohammed, do you understand? So how do you calculate? You know that? 5 table. 5 1 the 5 20 the 23 the 60%. With the same percentage of cotton is cotton percentage in shirt B. In shirt B, what is the cotton shares? 3 total shares 4. So that's what you write 3/4 into 100. So 4 table. 4 1 the 4 25 the 100. 25 3 the 75%. So which shirt has the cotton percent? More cotton. B. Shirt B has the more cotton. So example problems, you don't need to write it in textbook only are there. Okay, example 10. Example number 10. Ganga went to a tailor with 1 meter cloth. Ganga went to a tailor with 1 meter cloth. Ganga went to a tailor with 1 meter cloth. She asked him to make a blouse to her. The tailor used 0.75 meters of cloth to make the blouse and returned the remaining cloth to Ganga. Can you say to me how much cloth he used? 0.75 meters. How much cloth he returned? 25%. Just number in meters is it. 0.25 meters. He did not do that, you can find it. Totally 1 meter cloth he have given to them. She have given to tailor 1 meter cloth. So how much cloth the tailor is used? 0.75 meters used by the tailor. How much he returned? 0.25 meters he returned. 0.75 meters he used. 0.25 meters he returned. That is, you know that. So then what you have to find here? What is the percentage of cloth he used? So you have to use first what you have read? Percentage of cloth. Percentage of cloth used. How do you write it? 75. How much used that you have right now? 0.75 meters by total is 100 meters. 100 value saying right? Down what should talk denominators? Total will come. Numerator for what you are finding percentage numerator. Denominator is what? Total. Total cloth no. Total cloth how much used? 1 meter no. Into 100. And down there is denominator 1. But now what is it? 0.75 into 100. In decimals I said to you, when you are multiplying with hundreds like this, the decimal will move. You know decimal multiplications I said to you. When you are multiplying with 100, 10, 1000 like that, very easy. If you are multiplying with 10, in 10 1 0 is there no. That's why this point will move one time. If you are multiplying with 100, there are 2 zeros no. That's why this point will move 2 times. If you are multiplying with 1000, then the point will move 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Here you will keep 0. Whereas when you are dividing with 10, the point will move left hand side one time. When you are dividing with 100, dividing with 100, then point move 2 times backward. When you are dividing with 1000, the point move 3 times backward, like that. Means backward is here 0.075. 2 times means 0.0075. Like that. So multiplication and division with 100, 10,000 is very easy. No need to be separately multiplied. Simply what should we do? We have to move the decimal point. Here we are multiplying with 100 no. That's why we will move the decimal point which side? Right. Multiplication is right side. How many steps? 2. 1, 2. So 1 point will go up to here. Second step means now where is the point? After 75 is the point. That's a 75.0. With 0 you can read. Now what did you get here? 75. Percentage you have found no? Then compulsory above also you have to change no? This is you are converting into centimeters. Then above 0.75 also converting into centimeters no? Then that will become what? 75 centimeters. Yes or no? Like that after converting. This one You are saying this one as centimeters, 75 centimeters by 100 centimeters into 100. 100 will cancel, then 75. Like that we can. But why I have said like that? Because we have to be practice this also. What? Decimals also. That's why I said like this. You understand? Like that also you can do. But decimals also multiplication and it should be practiced. Already have done. You have to use them. That's why I said. Okay. Next question is what? Percentage of cloth returned. Percentage of cloth returned. So how much? 0.25 meter out of 1 meter. So into 100. Same method. 25%. Okay. So this is the method of finding percentage. You see what I am doing? Only I am using the formula, same formula for all. What formula? For what you are finding percentage? Numerator. By total denominator into 100. Okay, same pattern. Up to now 3 problems you have done. Boys percentage, girls percentage. So what you have taken? Boys above by total into 100. Or girls percentage. Girls above total into 100. Second, cotton shares in the shirt A. Cotton shares above, total shares down into 100. In shirt B, cotton shares above, total shares below into 100. In this problem, cloth used. How much cloth used above? Total into 100. Cloth returned. How much cloth returned above? Total into 100. Okay? You understand? Yes. Now, next problem. Only remember this formula enough. You can do it. What is the next problem? 11th one. Yes. Last year, the cost of commodity was 40 rupees. Commodity is one thing. Last year cost it was 40 rupees. This year, the cost of commodity increased to 50. Last year it was 40. Now it is how much? 50. 50. What happened? 10%. 10 rupees increase. Yes. Percent you can't say like that, no. So how much increase? 10 rupees. 10 rupees increase. Last year the cost was 40 rupees. The cost of the object this year it is 50 rupees. Means what do you know? The cost is increased. How much increase? 10 rupees increase. He is asking to you what is the percentage of change? Means what is the percentage of increase in price? Okay. So normally what are you doing? You know that what is the process you are doing? Percentage. You are going to say no. What are you going to find? I am writing step. What is that? Percentage of change in price. Percentage of change in price. Means we are finding the percentage for this. How do you do percentage? Formula method I said to you. What should we do first? What we are finding, that is number. What you are finding? Change in price. That is numerator now. What is the change in price? What is the change in price? 50? 40? What is the change in price? Old price 40, new price 50. What is the change in price? 10. Yes or no? Last year price was 40. This year price is 50. But he is asking for percentage of last year price. No. Percentage of this year price. No. What is asking? Percentage of change in price. In price, what change is there? 10 rupees change is there. Okay, Ganesh? That 10 we have to take in the numerator. Okay, by. Normally what you are taking? Total you are taking, no? Yes. But here total is not situation, no? Boys and girls means boys and girls total you made. Is it or not? Cloth, used cloth, return cloth, total you made. But here like the total is will come here. It is not like the problem now. Total we can't find here. So that's why what you have to do, you know, when this type of questions are there, when increased, when decreased, when you are finding the percentage. So on what price that change came, that came right here. This change came on what price? 50. This price change is have done no on what? On 40. First it was 40. Now it become 50. Means change become on what? Change become on. That is only total here. So when the situation is like that, here some benches are there, white color benches, red color benches, like that is there, then total you will take. But it is not like that. Once upon it was 40 rupees, now it became 50 rupees. That this change you are finding now. This change have done on 40, not on 50. This change have done on 40. That's why this 40 we will take down. Okay, remember that. All problems total we are taking. But here in this, like this problems, where the total is not there, in this another type of situations, the change happened on what? The change happened on 40. That's why that is only total here. That 40 we will take as total into 100. So percentage formula. For what you are finding percentage? Numerator by total. But here total is not there. This change happened on what we are taking here into 100. Calculations you know that. Ending zeros. Now we will take with the 100 to 4. They are coming in 4 table. How? 4 1 the 4 25. So what is the change in commodity? 25%. Change in number 10 rupees. Change in percentage 25%. Okay, percentage different. Number different. Number is for whatever mean. Percentage for is always for 100. Percentage is for always for 100. You understand? Is there any doubt in it? No. So only like these situations are coming. Sometimes only. Always we will get total only. Sometimes when we get this situation, then we will do like that. Okay, next. Shyam's monthly income is 10,000 rupees. Shyam's monthly income 10,000. Monthly income is 10,000 rupees. He spends 60% on the family expenses. You understand? 60% on the family expenses. For the family expenses means you know that rent to, treatment to, food to, these are. For that, how much he is expending? 60%. Spending. Expense means spending. 60%. So he is using how much? 60% on family expense. So like that, one more percentage he has given. 10% on medical expense. 10% on medical expense. Next, 5% on donations. 5% on donations. Next, remaining 25% he is saving. 25% savings. So total his money whatever he got, in that 60% he is using for family. 10% he is using for medical. 5% he is using for donation. 25% he is saving. Now the question is what? How much money? How much money? Your percentage given no. How much money used for family? How much money used for medical? How much money used for donations? How much money used for savings. Like that he is asking the question first. Then how do you find? Here what is given? Percentage given. He is saying to find number. Yes or no? That's what I am going to find. I am writing here. Number means money. Money expend means money spent on each. Which for one by one? Family. Money spent on family. How do you find? I said the method. Do you know? 40-60%. How do you find number? What you said? 60% means 60 finding percentage, that formula. Here you are finding percentage. You are finding number. Percentage given man. Number you are finding. That is the same formula. That is again you forgot the formula. Yesterday formulas once you see in the text notebook. Two formulas you have written. One formula is what? Finding percentage means that number by 100, sorry, by total into 100. This formula what did I say? When you know number, when you know percentage, you have to find formula, so percent number. Two formulas I said yesterday. Finding percentage one formula, finding number one formula. Finding percentage is what? Number by total into 100. But finding number it is simple. There only meaning is there. 60% means what? 60% means what? 60 by 100 only, no? Same, this is only we will take nothing. 60% means what? 60 by 100. So 60 by 100 into total. Into total how much? 40. 10,000 no total. From this money only, no, he used this. Then what is the total? This is only the total. You are confusing. This is the total money. In that some money he used for family, some money he used for medical, some money he used for donations, some money he used for saving. This total, which is the total? This is only total, no? So 60%, in that only meaning is there. 60%, 60 per 100, 60 per means by 100, 60 by 100 into total. Total is what? 10,000. So you have to be cancelled. So very easy. Here ending zeros. So now what is left here? 60 into 100. So will be 6 1 are 6 3 zeros. 6,000 rupees. Okay, clear? But no, response is not there for me. I am thinking you are not understanding. Already now, half page is closed. I can't understand. Are you understanding or not? Second, you are not saying anything. Say something. You know? No. Then say something. I am not understanding because mask is there, no? Because of mask, are you understanding or not? I can't find your face emotions. Only I have nothing. I can't find it. So that's why at least from your mouth you give the answer to me. So money, if you understand, then only my my mission is fulfilled. Then only I can forward. If you don't understand, only if I write on the board, no use. No? So that's why you express your words. Money spent on medical. Very good. Medical. How do you find it? Say to me. 10% by 100 into 10%. Ganesh. Say. 10 by 100. Medical. 10% no. 10 by 100 into 10,000. Total is 10,000. Here. Ending zeros. Multiplication. 1 1s are 1. 3 zeros. So means what will be 1,000 rupees. Same like that. One more. Money spent on donations. How much it is? 5%. 5% means what? 5 by 100 into 10,000. Sorry, ending zero. 5 into 100. How much? 500 rupees. Last, money spent on Savings. What is the savings percentage? 25%. Means 25 by 100 into 10,000. 2500 are 2500. So this is a way of finding number when you know percentage. Okay, two ways, two methods. Sometimes you know number, you will find percentage. Sometimes you know percentage, you are finding number. Okay? Okay, now all of you open the page number 125 and we will discuss these all questions. Exercise 4. First question. In a school X, there are two schools are there. School X and school Y. School X and school Y. So do you want to, and once I will read the question, then you can understand. In school X, 48 students appeared for 10th class exam, out of which 36 students passed. You understand?
Yes.
What do you understand?
Total students 48 students.
That is in school A. Total, how many students are there?
48.
How many of
36.
passed they have given? No.
Yes.
How many passed?
36.
This you understand from the first sentence.
Yes.
Second sentence. In another school Y, 30 students appeared and 24 students passed. 30 students appeared means total 30. Passed 24. Now, if the district educational officer wants to give an award on the basis of pass percentage, to which school will he give the award? Means what should we do? So we have to find the percentage of what? Pass percentage. We have to find the pass percentage of school A
And
school B. Why? So how do you find out the pass percentage of school A? Means you are finding percentage. Formula remember. How do you find? Say to me. 36 means for pass percentage you are finding out. Pass students first above by total, you know, into. So you will find the pass percentage of school A. Same like that you will find the pass percentage of school Y. Then we will check it whose percentage is more, for them DO will give the award. You can find it now?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2. This is question number 1. Last year the cost of 1000 articles was 5000 rupees. Last year the cost of 1000 articles was 5000 rupees. This year it goes down to 4000 rupees. What is the percentage of decrease in price? Like that we have done it. Percentage is asking. Decrease you are finding. So what do you know in this problem? We know last year price. What was the last year price? 5000 rupees. And you know one more thing here. What is this? This year price. What is this year price? 4000 rupees. So he is asking to you what? Percentage of decrease. So to find that percentage, that number you must know. Which number? Decrease number you have to know. Percentage when you are finding, you know the formula immediately should come in formula. Formula is what? For what I am finding, that number. What number is there here? So that's what you write here. The number you have to find now. So decrease price. How much? So now what you are finding? You are going to find the percentage. Say the percentage formula. For what you are finding, that is for what? So that is 1000 by percentage into 100. Remember. So what you get? 1000 by 5000 into 100 is on 5000. Decrease on 5000. Got it? No? So you understand? Can you find it?
Yes.
The second question also easy. Now third question. Sri Jyoti has a basket full of bananas, oranges and mangoes. Very easy question. If 50% are bananas, 15% are oranges, and what percent of mangoes are? Is it easy or hard? What is the question? Sri Jyoti has a basket full of bananas, oranges and mangoes. In basket, what are there? Bananas are there, oranges are there, mangoes are there. Out of them, 50% are bananas, 15% are oranges. Mangoes are how many percent? Say answer. 35% mangoes, no? Very easy, no? Direct answer. Fourth question you see there. 64% plus 20% plus dash is equal to 100%. 26. 64 plus 20. 84% completed. How much is left again to 16%? These are the easy question, no? Okay. Now you do one thing. First two problems you complete. Let's next two problems also only single line answer now. Write the four problems you complete now. It is what you have written 36 by 48 into 100. Cancellation. Two numbers should come in one table, and in that one should be numerator, one should be denominator. Okay. You see, observe carefully here. Two numbers are coming in one table. 12 table. 12 table is both will come now. One is numerator, one is denominator. How? 12 3 are 12 4 are. Again chance is there. One numerator, one denominator. This is numerator. One numerator, one denominator. 4 table both will come now. 4 table 100 will come. How? 425 are. 4 1s are 4. So what is left now? 3 and 25. Down 1 only. 3 25 are 75. Second one, 24 by 30 into 100. Now which table? Observe here which table? 12 table 30 will come. Something bigger table 6 8 man. Long it will go 2 table. So tables are not perfect, are you? 4 table 30 will come. 3 table, 6 table. So tables immediately by seeing each table the two numbers are coming, you have to find. In 6 table 2 numbers will come. How? 6 4s are 6 5s are. Now 5 table these both will come. How? 5 1s are 5 20s are. Now 24s are 80. This is 75%. This is 80%. This school is good. Why? 80% school is good now. No. So cancellations must be perfect. So simple tables. If you know tables enough, you have to check your main rule is what? Two numbers up to two numbers down should not take. One number must be up, one number must be down. Like that, which two numbers are coming same time. Then easily you can do. Next problem when you take here, what you have said to me are postman method. 1000 decreased by on 5000 into 100. Here what type of calculations is it? Ending zeros are there. Ending zeros, end one up one down is there, no? End zeros you can cancel. Means 10 table. If you do it 10 table, 2 zeros will go. One more 10 table, if you do 2 zeros will go. Again in 10 table, if you do one more zero will go. That is called as ending zeros, not in middle. 504 means middle zero should not take. Ending zero only I will take. Can you understand that? Now 5 to 100 also going in same table. What table? 5 table. 5 1 20. So final left, what are left here? Only 20. So that is not 20. Okay. Cancellations be perfect. Try. Means if you don't know what you have to practice. Some numbers you have to take like this and practice. Okay, shall I explain the sixth one? Question number 5. Fifth one. On a rainy day, out of 150 students in a school, 25 are absent. Do you understand? What do you understand? Total students 150. 125. 150. Absent student 25. Then one more, what do you know here? Find the percentage of students absent from the school. Can you find? How do you find percentage? You know the method. Say percentage of absent students is equal to 25 by 150 into 100. Next is asking to you percentage of present students are. Remaining you can find, otherwise formula also you can use. No. Present students are how many? How many students are present? 125 present, no? 25 absent means 125 present, no? That time what you write? 125 by 150 total into 100. Like that also you can find, otherwise remaining you can find. You understand? Only cancellations maybe you are doing on perfect practice. If you can't, tomorrow I will say. Question number 6. Out of 12,000 voters in constituency, 60% voted. What do you understand? Total voters? Total voters 12,000. How many are voted is given? How many are voted is given? Percentage given. So what percentage given? 60% voted. So now what is trying to find it? How many? Find the number of people voted. Means what do you know here? Percentage we know. We have to find number. So means what you have to find here? Number of voters. Number of voted. That is how to find out. So number of people voted. So number you have to find. Number method I said to you just now. The money, total 10,000 money now. Oh, percentage given is number you found now. Like that, how do you find this formula? Say to me. 60 by 100. 60% means 60 by 100 into 12,000. You can find the answer from calculations you can use. You understand? This is finding percentage formula there. Here finding number. What do you know? You write it afterwards. What you are finding, you can get idea. Okay. Question number 7. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. If it won 25% of them, if it won 25% of them and lost rest means remaining. You understand what you have given? Can you say to me what do you know here? Total matches played.
20.
Total matches played 20. So 25% they won. One means you know that. Remaining last he says. Can you say remaining how much percentage lost? How much? 170. 75% they lost. That you know from the question. What you have to find there? See there. How many matches did they lose? How many matches? 75. Again you are confusing there. Percentage that is, but we are asking number. How many number of matches they lose? This is information. This information we know, and he is saying remaining is last means remaining. You understand? You have written. Then number of matches they lose. You have to find. This percentage. You have to find number now. How do you find scientific formula? 25. Lose asking.
75.
Lose means this one no. 75 by 100. 75% only. 75 by 100 into
20.
Very good. Total is 20 no. Into 20. Okay. You do one thing. Only write the steps only, not the answers. Answers you do as homework. In every gram of gold, every means 1. In 1 gram of gold, a goldsmith mixes 0.25 grams of silver, 0.05 grams of copper. What is the percentage of gold, silver and copper in every gram of gold? You understand this question?
In 1 gram of gold, 0.25 gram of silver, 0.05 gram of copper. Mixes.
So, means here something confusing. Actually, this process may be confusing. If I ask you how much gold is there, means you will say 1 gram. No, it is not like that here. Actually, what will happen? Gold, when the gold ornaments are making, only they can't do the ornament with gold only. Only with gold they can't make the ornament. Compulsory something they should mix. What they are mixing? Silver and copper they are mixing. Then only ornament will create. Ornament means molding, shapes should come on. For that compulsory, they should mix something compulsory. But here he is giving 1 gram gold. No, that is not 1 gram gold. 1 gram mixture. You understand? 1 gram is mixture of all. What are there in that? Gold, silver, copper. Gold, silver, copper. But here he has given to us only silver how much?
0.05.
Copper how much?
0.05.
But gold did not give. Means we are thinking 1 gram gold, 1 gram not gold. 1 gram is what? Mixture. Okay, so what do you know total first here? Total mixture you think. Mixture, mixture of gold. It is what? 1 gram. In that what do you know now? Silver. Silver is equal to 0.25 grams. Copper is how much?
0.05 grams.
Now we have to find how much gold is there. You can find it.
Gold, silver and copper.
Gold you can find it. This is the total mixture. Total mixture you know. Silver how much you know, copper how much you know. Gold you can find
0.7.
0.7. 70. Correct. Because it is, if you add it, what you will get it? 0.30 will come now. Means remaining only gold now. That is how much? 0.70. Now we have to find out the all percentages. First one, percentage of gold. One by one you find. Percentage of gold. Silver. First silver. Okay, I am finding gold. Say to me, how do you find percentage? You know that? Number by total into 0.70 by. You know the rest. Just now I said the method. You can find the percentage now. Say like that. Percentage of silver. How much?
0.05.
Silver. Only point is going to move. Simple. Last.
Percentage of copper.
So there only something you confuse here. What you confuse? Gold you like that you confuse. That's why you have to like this. So how much? 0.05 by 1 into. You can find it. Okay. Okay. Write that. And this is the last one also. %% of a number is 800. 40% of a number is 800. What is number? So here normally what do you know? What do you do? 40% of a number is 800 means normally you will do that. How do you find second one? 40 by 100 into that mistake you will do. So 40% of 800 is not saying here. 40% of 800 means you said correct. 40 by 100 into 800. But here it is not 40% of 800. 40% of a number is 800. You understand? So you are going to find answer 40% is 40 by 100 into 800 you are doing. That is wrong. Because it is not 40% of 800. 40% of 800 means you are, what the answer is correct. But it is what? 40% of a
number.
So simple equations I will go. Simple equations. Last method I said, you know, remember. Simple equations. Unknown. Here which is unknown here? Number is unknown. So what I will do? Let us assume number is equal to x. Now you write it. What is this now? Number place what will come? 40% of x is, you know the method. 40% is 40 by 100 into of x. Is means what? 800. Now this is the problem. Now x you have to find out. One by one you will send. First you will send. What the 100 is doing here? Multiply. So what you write here? 40 into x is equal to 800 into 100. X is equal to 40 is multiplied here. If you go there, divide by 4. You know you can do the cancellation. Do the cancellation and find the answer. Okay? Okay. Then exams. The first exam will be maths exam will be on first 2 chapters.